This is our first time trying Starfruit.
Okay, what am I doing?
He's gonna cut us up some pieces so we can try them and do a quick review.
Okay, here's your fruit. Why do they call it Starfruit?
Because it's shaped like a star.
And is it a fruit?
Yes. It's
All right,
a fruit.
here we go. Cheers.
Does it taste like a pineapple?
Put your eyes up, Pop.
Is it good? What does it taste
Not
like?
bad. It kind of tastes like a pineapple and an orange.
Maybe an apple too.
Oh, wow.
Oops. Here. Here's another piece.
Here. Now that you dropped it, put it close to the camera. Okay.
Send me a piece, Paul.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all send us eat it all up. Can you find those in the store?
I don't know where they got it.
You can buy them in the store.
What y'all rate it?
Very juicy.
I'll give it a 8.
8?
8 out of 10.
What about you, Nevaeh?
I'll give it a 9 out of 10 just because it tastes like an apple.
Well, we found a fruit that you like now.
Thank you very much. Be sure to subscribe to my page, Paul Bynum. Talk to you later.
Leave a like.